Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the coding and decoding chapter. So here in coding decoding, you will be given with four sentences, and there are some codes also. Based on that, you should answer the given questions. See 1 to 5. In a certain code language, prepare for your exams is written as XNNTOZWL. Hard work for prepare is written as NTMLOZTK. Prepare your studies well is written as SDJKNTXN. Work well, best results is coded as DSLUJKML. Now, how to find the codes for each and every word? If you see 1 and 2, statement 1 and statement 2, you have to generally observe statement 1 and statement 2. You can see the word prepare. You can see the word prepare. Also, you can see the word for. Prepare is common, for is common. Now, if you see first sentence, second sentence, third sentence, you can see the word prepare. So, here prepare is common in first, second, third. In first, second, and third, you can see the code NT in common. You can see the code NT. So, what is the code for prepare? NT. Prepare code is NT. Now, for. In first and second, you can see the word for. In first and second, you can see the word OZ. So, what is the code for OZ? The code for word for is OZ. Now, we are left with two words in the first sentence, that is your and exams. So, your is there, also exams is there. Now, if you see 1 and 3, you can see the word your. In first sentence, third sentence, your is there. In first sentence, third sentence, you can see XN. So, what is the code for your? XN. Your code is XN. Now, the remaining word is exams. The remaining code is WL. So, exams code is WL. Exams code will be WL. Now, move to the second one. Second sentence, hard work for prepare. Already prepare is NT, per means OZ. These two are over. Now hard work. Now if you see the second one and last one, you can see work. Second last you can see work. Second and last you can see ML. So work code is ML. Work code is ML. Then what is the code for hard TK? Hard code is TK. Come to the third sentence. Prepare your studies well. So prepare means ENT. Then your means XN. Then studies well. See second, third and fourth you can see the word well. In third and fourth you can see JK. So what is the code for well? JK. Well code is JK. Then what is the code for studies? The remaining word is studies. Remaining code is ST. So studies code is ST. Studies code is ST. Now come to the last sentence. Work well, best results. See, work is already over, that is ML. Then well is already over, that is JK. Best results are left, and we are having DSLU. So the code for either best or results is either DS or LU. Now, what is the code for best? What is the code for best in the code line? Either DS or LU. What is the code for XN? XN means your one. What is the code for exams or hard? Exams means WL or hard. Hard means TK and R is a new word. Along with WL and TK, there should be new code. See, we are having WLTK here, WLTK here, WLTK here. But if you see the first one, there is ML, but already ML is the code for work. So this is not the answer. If you see here XN, XN is already code for your, so this is also not your answer. WLTKZR. So we don't have the code ZR. So fourth one is the correct answer. What is the code for studies for? Studies means SD, for means OZ. It can be either SD OZ or OZ SD. Option 4. What is the code for well? Well code is JK. Now, let us see the next question. In a certain code language, a bank for my conductor is written as YARIVIPA. For conductor is written as RIVIPADA. My computer is yours is written as DAVIPIDU. Eat your tablet is written as YUDUCA. Now, what is the code for each and every word? Now, let us see the first and second. In first and second, you can see which two words, my and conductor. But in first, second, third, you can see the code my. In first, second, and third, you can see the code my. And what is the code for my? You can see one word that is VI. We are having VI, VI, VI. So the code for my is VI. Then conductor. In 1 and 2, you can see the word conductor. In 1 and 2, you can see PA. So conductor code is PA. Conductor code is PA. Then bank for. So bank for. Bank for is there. Bank is there also, for is there. You can see conductor and for. Both conductor and for in first and second. So the code for either conductor or for can be either PA or which one? RI. PA or RI. Either PA or RI. Because you can see two words. For is common, conductor. For is common, conductor. So we can see RI PA. RI PA. Then what is the code for bank? YA. Bank code will be definitely YA. Come to the next statement. For conductor is my. Now we are having only one word left is. We are having DA. So the code for is DA. The code for is will be DA. Come to the next one. My computer is yours. Already my means VI. Is means already DA. Then computer yours. In third and fourth you can see the word yours, that is DU. So here we can see DU. So yours means DU. Yours code will be DU. Then what is the code for computer? Computer means PI. Remaining code computer, remaining word PI. So computer code is PI. Eat yours tablet. Come to the last sentence. Eat to yours tablet. Already yours means that is DU. Eaten tablet means either YU or CA. Either eat or tablet means either YU or C. Now come to the questions. What is the code for conductor? Either RI or PA. What is the code for YA, PI, DU? YA means bank. PI means computer. DU means yours. The answer is bank, computer, yours. These three words can be present in any order. So the second option, yours, computer, bank. What is the code for my? My means VI. What does PA stands for? PA stands for either for or conductor. Either for or conductor. We are having both for and conductor. So the answer is either for or conductor. That is the correct answer. Option 5 outright, either one or two. In a certain code language, what does my computer return? My means VI. Computer means PI. Either VI PI or PI VI. The first one is the correct answer. Now let us see 11 to 13. 11 to 13. Study the following information, then answer the given questions. Exercise for your health. Then health and exercise must. Then must do exercise regularly to your good life. Again, you see 1 and 2. If you see 1 and 2, you can see two words common, that is exercise and health. Exercise is there, health is there. Here also exercise, health. But if you see 1, 2, 3, exercise is common. In 1, 2, 3, we are having the word exercise. In 1, 2, 3, you are having which one? KA. So exercise code is KA. Then health. In 1 and 2, you can see health. In 1 and 2, you can see which one? Health is common. In 1 and 2, you can see the word health. SC is common. So health code is SC. Health code is SE. Exercise health. For your. Now remaining two words are for and your. In first last, you can see the word your. In first and last, you can see one word in common, that is JA. So your code is JA. Your code is JA. Then what is the code for NA? For code is NA. For code NA. With this, we completed the first sentence. Then go to the second. Health and exercise must. Already health is over, exercise is also over, KASC, and must. Now, if you see the second and third, you can see the word must in common. If you see second and third, you can see TU in common. So, must code is TU. Must means TU. Must code TU. Then what is the code for and DK? And code is DK. What is the code for and? That is the, sorry, not DK, it is RE. And code is RE because the remaining code is RE. And code is RE. Come to the last one. Must do exercise regularly. Must means TU. Then exercise means KA. Then to regularly. In third and fourth, you can see the word to. In third and fourth, you can see AZ. To code is AZ. Then regularly means DK. Regularly means DK. The remaining word regularly we are having, that is the code DK. Come to the last sentence. To your good life. To is over AZ. Your is over JA. Good life. Now we don't have any additional sentence. The code for either good or life is either MO or FU. Now come to the questions. What may be the code for exercise regularly good for health? Exercise means KA. Exercise means KA. Regularly DK. Then good. Good means either MO or FU. Any one should be there. Either MO or FU. Then for. For means NA. Then health SC. So this is the correct answer. KA, then DK. KA should be there. DK should be there. So KA, DK means only you have to see this one. Either MO or FU. MO is there. NA, SC. Third option is correct. What is the code for life? Either MO or FU. Then what is the code for must exercise? Must means to TU. Exercise means KA. Either TU, KA. It is TU, KA. This is the correct answer. It is not LU, TU, KA. 2 is the correct answer. Then see the next question. In a certain code language, work never goes waste is written as RBMKNITF. Then never waste your time is written as NIAPSYRB. Then focus on your work. That is not INK, that is MK. So you should make it a change. That is MK. MKAPENOR. And this is not TF, this is TJ. So here we should write instead of TF, TJ. Here it is not INK, it is MK. Then focus goes with time is written as SYTJENKE. Now, let us see first and second. In first and second, you can see two words never waste. Never waste. So, the code for either never or waste can be two things. What are the two things? Either NI or B. NI or B. Either NI or RB. Now, work goes. The remaining two words are work and goes. If you see 1 and 3, you can see the word work. 1 and 3, you can see work. In 1 and 3, you can see MK. So, work means MK. Work means MK. Work means MK. Then, goes means TJ. The remaining code is goes. The remaining word TJ. So, goes code is TJ. Goes code will be TJ. Now come to the second one. Never waste your time. Already never is over, waste is over. Now your time. In second and third, you can see your. In second and third, you can see AP. So your means AP. Your means AP. AP is common. Then time means SY. Time code is SY. The code for time is SY. Now come to the third sentence. Focus on your work. So your means already AP is over. Then work means MK is over. Now focus on. You can see focus in last two sentences. In last two sentences you can see EN. So focus means EN. Focus code is EN. Then on means ORR. So on code is OR. On code is OR. Come to the last one. Focus goes with time. So focus means already EN. Then goes means TJ. Goes code is TJ. Time means SY. Now the remaining code is with. The remaining code is KE. With code is KE. With code is KE. Now what is the code for TJ? TJ means goes. What is the code for focus? Focus means EN. The last option it is EN. It is not CN. It is EN. What is the code for time? That is SY. What is the code for work on projects? Work means MK. On means OR. Along with MK and OR, there should be new word. Along with MK and OR, there should be new word. Option 3 is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next one. 18 to 22. Study the given information carefully, then answer the questions. In a certain code language, find a good home is written as DNCOHERH. Charity begins at home, RHNAEKSA. Find good charity store, NADNHEKU. A store at station, COEKKU city. Now, in 1 and 2, you can see find a good home, charity begins at home. Now you see 1 and 3. 1 and 3, find is there, good is there. In 1 and 3, you can see the word find and also good. Where additionally you can't see anywhere. The answer, code is either DN or HE. DN is there, HE is there. So the code is either DN or HE. Now, A home. You can see in first and second home, in first and second RH. So home means RH. Then A means CO. A means CO. Charity begins at home. Charity begins at home. So already home is over. Now we can see the word charity in second and third. In second and third, charity is there. In second and third, NA is there. So charity code is NA. Charity code is NA. Then store. We are having only, sorry. Charity begins at home. Charity begins at home. Now begins at home. Home already over. Now begins at, we can see the word at in the second one and last one. In second and last you can see ek. So begins means ek. Sorry, at means ek. At means ek. Because you can see at in first and third. At means, now we are having begins. We are having only one code, that is SA. So begins code is SA. Begins code will be SA. Okay, come to the, this sentence is over. This is also over. Now come to third sentence. Find good charity store. Find good already over. See, find good already over. Find good means either DN or HE. Then charity means NA. Now store is left, KU is left. So store code is KU. Store code is KU. Come to the last sentence. A store at station. A means CO. A means CO. At means EK. Now store means KU. We are left with only one thing, station ZE. Station code is ZE. Now come to the questions. What is the code for ZE? ZE means station. What is the code for store? Store means KU. What does EK stands for? EK stands for at. Now last question. In the given code language, what is possibly mean? Find good food. Find means DN, good means HE, and food is the new word. Along with DN, HE. Along with DN, HE, there should be new code. If you see first option KU, that is the old word. Second option RH, that is also old word. Third option VK, that is a new word. So 3 is the answer. Now last one. What is the code for charity? Charity means NA. 1 is the correct answer. So next class we will discuss the second part of this coding decoding chapter.